Namaskaram. Hello everybody. Hope you're all doing good. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for being part of Hyderabad Foodies Club for the last 8 years. And today is our anniversary. Happy anniversary to you, each one of you all. See you all very soon. Thank you.
Foodies Club has made a tremendous contribution to the food and beverages scene in Hyderabad. And I have had many happy memories with this club, enjoying the company of the people as well as enjoying the delicious food. On eve of the 8th anniversary of the club, I congratulate the members of the club, the admin and everybody. Excellent.
I think I am missing Hyderabad Foodies the most. I was eagerly waiting to join this year, having known the dates which were coming probably, but unfortunate situation has come to the world and everyone is trying to fight. But let's hope we get back soon and I am able to, and I'm eagerly waiting to come back to Hyderabad and try out the great food there. So I'm just hoping, fingers crossed, and hoping to get things normal very soon.
So sitting in this foreign land right now, what I can say is even I am missing that lot of varieties of food that Hyderabad has to offer and what our group has been talking about, posting about, and even after the lockdown now, everybody is preparing, doing everything on their own at their home and making it a tremendous effort for everyone. So you guys are really working out well for this and hope to see you guys soon. Really let the lockdown go down and bring your culinary skills. And yeah, on the eve of our upcoming 9th anniversary, happy anniversary to you guys. Keep the food be shared.
So most of you guys have actually reached out to us saying that you have been missing our events, the group activities, and especially the anniversary event. Yes, even we do miss hosting you guys and having all the fun, especially the anniversary event where there is a lot of planning that goes in across all the 2 months, and especially the all the behind the scenes work, or maybe the venues, the logistics, and even the giveaways. It is unfortunate that we are not in a position to host you guys this year. Safety and health first. So let us just wait until things come back to normalcy and let's just party, have a huge party after all the things come back to normal. Stay safe, guys. Wish you all a very happy anniversary. We have completed 8 years and it's a big achievement. Cheers, guys.
Congratulations to each and everyone for making this group a very happy place. There have been times where we are all looking for company during this lockdown, and I think HFC has been providing this constant company to a lot of people and making a lot of people happy. This doesn't go unnoticed. We will celebrate it in big style. Let's celebrate it at our homes this year because next year it's going to be very big. All the best and have a safe stay at home. But remember, food is a universal language and you guys are spreading love. Yes, let's say 3, 2, 1.
Or maybe we can just show 9. 9. We can just show 9.
तो मैं 9 करूंगा तो
I can't. I have to hold the one.
Okay.
5 हो जाएगा तो
I
फिर
can say so 5.
9 रखो
1 2
5
Fun.
and 4.
क्या ये 9 है क्या?
start.
What is this?
हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं actually 9 वो भी कर सकते हैं
नहीं वो नहीं हो रहा है.
कर रहे हैं क्या
हो गया
देख मेरा 9 देखे
ले लिया